students, today's video is going to be on C++ constructors and destructors. So the constructors and destructors are very simple to understand. Just consider the example of a class of a student, and as I said, whatever you write within this class are accessible within the class, and the main function is like a second family, where if you want to access anything from here to here, you have to create an object. Now if you can, in public section, if you define a function in the same name of a class, then it is called a constructor. And same way, if you can create a function in the name of tilde student, then whatever you write inside is called a destructor. This is called a destructor. Now constructor gets executed. Suppose I create a student A. The moment I create student A, the constructor is the one which will get executed first. And when you finish using this object, when you come out of this, then the destructor gets executed. So let us see it practically in a C++ compiler how that works. Now let us take the example in a DEV C++ compiler. So let us say that actually I have written a small little program here. So let me show it from the beginning. I'm kind of starting from the beginning. See, it is like this. You have a blank screen, and you know that for any C++ program you need to simply have these two lines. That is what I already told. Then you are creating, let's say, class father with a private, there is a family name, and public, there is an integer age, something like that. So you started writing a class which looks like that. Now the public part and the private parts are written. Now coming back to the so-called constructor. Constructor is like a function which is in the same name of the class, as I said. So you are creating a function which is in the public section, which is in the same, you can see that actually it is the same name of the class. So here I have put print father constructor executed as soon as this part gets executed, and I initialize the age with 40. The age is a public variable, you can see that, and it is initialized there. And even if it was private, it would have got initialized to 40. Now the next thing what you will do is actually you will finish writing the class. That means I have completed the class. Then I go to integer main and then start writing the program in that. So in the main I am simply calling, I am creating an object father f, something like that. So now what happens when I call this, what all things are happening, you are going to see that. So I am going to execute this. It is asking what is the file name. I give any file name. Then it says father constructor executed. That means without even telling, when you created an object, it or father constructor got automatically executed. So now, since this part got executed, you know that whatever you need to initialize, any variable or anything to initialize with, can be put into the constructor. So in the next class I will discuss about the destructor. Okay, thank you.